Okay, I am taking a very small. Okay, this is for sample only. Finally I will make with this sheet. Okay, so first I am doing a sample purpose for teaching you different styles. Decoration will remain same on every folder. Okay, so take the sheet, fold it into half. I have folded, this is my open side and this is my closed side. From the closed side, keeping 2 fingers over here, and you have to fold it. Okay, so this is your second fold. हमने second fold कर लिया. Now open all the folds 1, 2 and 3. You have 3 creases on your sheet. Okay, so what you have to do, it has to be like this, and you have to punch.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait.
And now you can put the thread within these two, or if you have a wire you can put the wire, or if you have a ribbon you can put the ribbon. Okay, so this way your first folder is ready. Now second folder. First you have to take your sheet. Okay, now what you have to do, keep 4 fingers, at least 4 fingers gap from the bottom. Okay, then you have to fold it. It can be more than 4, at least minimum is 4. You can make it a bigger pocket than this. Okay, so this is your first fold.
Okay, ma'am.
Take a very small fold to lock the pocket, just to lock the pocket and make the edges stronger. You have to take only a strip size. From which side you have to fold it? See, this is your left. From left side you have to fold it like this. Okay, from left side you have to fold it like this, and on the right side leaving 2 finger size as it is, and fold it. Got it? Both the edges folded and fold it into half. अब इसको half में fold करो. Fold it like this. Again. Yes, Aditi, it's fine.
Ma'am, is this okay?
I can't see anyone.
Ma'am, is this okay?
My flap. Okay. Now I open my folder. There is a portion on which we will do the punching. इस पे हम punching करेंगे just like the first one. And I have a pocket to keep my sheets inside, and I have one more pocket to keep my sheets inside. Got it? So I have 2 pockets. I have a flap to lock my folder, and I have a flap at the center to punch my sheets. Okay, so take your sheet, keep 4 fingers at the bottom, this much space you need for the pocket, and fold it upwards like this. Okay, fold it into half like this, just a card fold, normal card fold, and open it. You will have a center crease. You have a crease over here. What you have to do, now we are doing a door folding. Okay, fold one of the side up to the center crease, fold another side up to the center crease. See, first fold, second fold. So this is normal hanky fold. जैसे आप लोग अपना hanky fold करते हो, this is the same hanky fold. After this hanky fold, what you have to do, you have to सी विच साइड आई एम टेकिंग, दिस इज ओपन, ये सब कुछ ओपन है यहाँ पे. यू कैन काउंट द 4 पेपर्स. सो दिस हैज टू बी लेफ्ट ओपन. टेक द टॉप विच इज क्लोज्ड वेयर यू हैव 2 ends. ओके, क्लोज्ड वाले साइड से पकड़ना है और मेक गिव अ ट्रायंगुलर फोल्ड. दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल फोल्ड. ओके, ओपन वाला फोल्ड. सी आई हैव ड्रॉन अ कर्व. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
यू हैव टू कट फ्रॉम द ट्रायंगुलर साइड. इसको ये कर्व में कट करना है. ओके, सी
Ma'am, but
ये मैंने करा. इट इज लाइक अ आइसक्रीम कोन आ गया ना. दीज क्रीजेज आर विजिबल. फर्स्ट, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट फोल्ड जो आपने नॉर्मल किया, हाफ फोल्ड. ओके, अभी यू हैव टू फॉलो द फैन फोल्डिंग दिस वे एंड opposite side, this way and opposite side. Same shape has to come again, but this time it has to be with the fan fold. Can you see this fan? सबको fan बनाना आता है ना. So triangular fan you need. Okay, now with the scissor you have to cut it. To come to know about the fold, then it's easy. Okay, see, because it's mandala, so it has to be round in shape. So same folding, no change. Earlier there were only triangles na. Now this time I have used a circular shape, these 2 circular shapes, then triangles, and triangles at the bottom also. So some parts should be removed. Okay, this is my flap folder. I have told you all the steps of making.
Auntie, what are you doing?
Wait, I am cutting it.
Ma'am, what are you doing?
I am cutting it into half. Now I have 2 half mandalas. Clear? Wherever you want to give the glitter effect, you just put the glue.
Ma'am, I can use glitter tube.
Yes, if you have a glitter tube, you can use that also. Those who don't have the glitter tube, they can do it this way also. If you have mirrors, you can paste the mirrors. After applying the glue, you just sprinkle. Okay, so it will get dry first, then we will remove the extra glitter. Collect extra glitter on a paper, then you can reuse it again. Okay, so this is the way. See one more design.
Ma'am,
Okay.
send me a little video. Yeah.